We all consume more or less tea or coffee as drink. It is one of the most popular beverages in the world. Coffee also contains a number of useful nutrients like vitamin B2, caffeine and potassium. Today we will talk about two very simple coffee powder face mask for glowing skin which can be made within 2 minutes. You all know we like to use those ingredients which can be available at our home very easily. So, the second ingredient we have chosen here is yogurt. We have used this coffee and curd face pack and got good result. So, we are sharing this. There are nothing more to say about dahi for our face. It is going to be very effective for our skin. You can try this. Just apply on face and keep it until dry. Then wash your face with cool water. Now for the second remedy, we are taking 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. Here we are just showing the recipe. You can take more keeping the ratio same. We are not showing anything extraordinary. We are just sharing this because these combination gave us really good result. Here we are using honey as a natural moisturizer. Because it is true, whatever you do for your skin should be moisturized properly. You just have to mix these 2 ingredients in equal proportions well. That's it. Apply this until dry and wash it off with cool water. Thank you.